Want to know the secret to doubling your zinnia blooms and feeding more birds at the same time? It's all in the pinch. Today, I'm going to show you exactly where to cut so your garden stays colorful and your bird feeders stay full of natural seeds.
Stop. Before you cut those zinnias, wipe your shears with rubbing alcohol. Dirty blades spread bacteria and fungus that can kill your plants instantly. Clean tools means healthier blooms and a longer season. Want double the blooms on your zinnias? You need to pinch them. It feels wrong, but it's the secret to a bushier plant. Wait until your zinnia is about 12 inches tall. Find the top set of leaves and snip the main stem right above them. This signals the plant to stop growing up and start growing out, sending energy to all those side stems. More stems mean more flowers for you and the bees.
And that's all there is to it. A little bit of maintenance goes a long way in creating a lush, bird-friendly space. Go give your zinnias a pinch, and I'll see you in the next video here at Molly's Firehouse.